Hi everyone, welcome to What's Cooking Wednesday. Today we are going to make Buckeye Pie. So I'm going to show you the ingredients that we're going to need to use. First, I use an Oreo pie crust, just straight bought from the store. Next, you'll need peanut butter, powdered sugar, kosher salt, heavy whipping cream, chocolate chips, and softened butter. So what I'm going to do to start is combine a full stick of butter. I don't know if you can see in the bowl or not, but I'll get it going. So full stick of butter. To that, we're going to add 1 2/3 cups of peanut butter into the bowl. So, got that. There's 1. It's important to remember that you soften the butter and make it just like room temperature, or otherwise it doesn't really melt into the powdered sugar and the peanut butter very well. So it's something that you want to make sure that you do right. And to that we're going to add 1.5 cups. Cup and 1/2 of powdered sugar. And it's a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla. So teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of vanilla, and then we are going to use the mixer on it to mix it up. And I'm going to use a handheld mixer instead of doing it with the big mixer today. Kind of get together, make it kind of rich and creamy. Super easy to do. There you go. Then we're going to take that mixture and we're going to pour it in our Oreo pie crust. And you can use like 20 Oreos and like 3 tablespoons of butter. Crush up the Oreos and then melt it. Pour the melted butter over it and do it that way. But I just find this to be a little bit easier. So for me personally, I just like to just go ahead and buy the pre-done pie crust. Going to spoon it in there. And then next we are going to melt 1.5 cups of chocolate chips and 2/3 a cup of whipping cream together. And we are going to form the chocolate ganache for the top. and then we will put it in the refrigerator and we will leave it sit for about an hour, and it'll form like a chocolate, a hard chocolate top on there. So just kind of looks like that. Super easy. This is a super easy recipe to take to a friend's for a dessert, or take it to an easy party of sorts. So now we're going to move over to the stove, and we will put our chocolate chips and our heavy whipping cream together. So, hopefully you're still there. So, but we're going to put 1.5 cups of chocolate chips in the, hopefully you guys can see, 1.5 cups of chocolate chips in there, and then 2/3 a cup of whipping cream. And then you're just going to melt it on low until it becomes extra chocolate chips. Never hurt anything. And I'm going to turn it on low because I don't want it to scorch. Going to use the same measuring cup that I used for the peanut butter. It's not going to hurt anything. So, and yes, Carolyn, I'm allergic to peanuts, and yes, I'm still going to do this. Hi, Kristen. Hi, Madison. Hi, Carolyn. So, just the heavy whipping cream kind of gives it, you know, a nice thick texture. This will take just a couple minutes to melt and become just a nice little mixture that we're just going to pour on the top. So one of my friend's favorite recipes, Miss Ashley Bolin, is whenever I make Buckeyes. So this pie is actually a little birthday present for her that I'll be delivering whenever I go to the title company today. So I'm sure that she'll be super excited about that. I hope you guys can see. Well, Carol, I'm always hungry. I don't need any help with anybody making me hungry. I'm always hungry. So I'm sorry, Kristen. I just ran out of time. I'll remember that for next time. Kristen's asking, how come we didn't have this pie this weekend? I'm not sure where we would have fit it in with all the other food that we ate this weekend, but you can kind of see it just kind of makes a little ganache. And so as soon as it's like right after it's melted, I don't like to mess around with it too much because, like I said, I don't want it to scorch. So as soon as you see that kind of shiny texture to it, I'm just going to take it over now and pour it on top of the pie. So this. And then we'll just put it in the refrigerator for about an hour and it'll be ready to serve. So super easy, super fast dessert, and it's something that everybody seems to love, so pretty easy to do. There we go. Perfect. Final product going into the fridge. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next week. Have a good day.